Come and clean the money maker machine with me. Did you know that regularly cleaning your PC hardware every 6 to 12 months can significantly extend its lifespan and improve overall performance in several ways? Here's why. Dust accumulation inside your PC, especially on fans and heat sinks, can impede airflow, which will lead to higher temperatures. And then overheating can cause hardware components like the CPU or GPU to degrade faster. As long as you're using your PC in a typical environment, dust will always find its way into your system. Dust and debris can cause friction on moving parts, such as fans. Over time, this friction can lead to fan failure or other mechanical issues. Dust and moisture can create electrical paths that may lead to short circuits, potentially damaging your motherboard, power supply, or other sensitive components. By removing dust from vents and fans, you can improve airflow, allowing your system to run more efficiently. Cleaning ensures that the components are running efficiently without unnecessary obstruction, which can help improve overall system performance and reduce the likelihood of slowdowns caused by thermal throttling. By maintaining a clean PC, you reduce the risk of overheating, mechanical failure, and electrical issues, all of which can extend the lifespan of your hardware. One of the most concerning aspects of dust buildup in a PC is the potential for short circuits. Dust can act as a conductor when it comes into contact with moisture or humidity in the air. This means that dust accumulating on sensitive components like the motherboard or power supply can create electrical paths that are not intended to be there. When a dust particle bridges a gap between two electrical contacts, it can create a short circuit. Short circuits can lead to several issues, from system crashes and instability to complete hardware failure. In extreme cases, a short circuit can cause your motherboard to burn out or fry other components, resulting in the loss of data or the need for an expensive replacement. Not only can this be frustrating, but it can also be potentially hazardous. A short circuit caused by dust buildup can cause a spark or even a fire if the conditions are right. This is an extreme scenario, but it's important to understand the risks. Your PC is an investment, whether it's for gaming, work, or entertainment. Like any investment, it's important to care for it properly to ensure that it lasts as long as possible. Regularly cleaning dust from your PC interior can significantly extend its lifespan. When your system is regularly cleaned, you're reducing the amount of wear and tear on critical components, preventing overheating and avoiding electrical damage. With proper maintenance, your PC can serve you for many years without significant performance degradation. Neglecting cleaning, on the other hand, can lead to premature failures that may result in costly repairs or the need for a full replacement. Keeping your PC dust-free is a simple yet essential maintenance task that will pay off in the long run. It helps ensure that your system remains cool, performs optimally, and lasts longer. Regular cleaning can prevent overheating, fan failures, short circuits, and mechanical issues, as well as improve overall system performance. By dedicating just a few minutes to keeping your PC clean every few months, you can avoid unnecessary frustration, reduce the risk of costly repairs, and extend the lifespan of your valuable hardware. A clean PC is a happy PC, so make sure to show yours some love. If you live in a particularly dusty environment, it may require more frequent cleaning. Ensure that your PC is kept in a clean, well-ventilated area, and that there's no obstruction around the intake or exhaust vents. Let's be real, hardware can be pricey, so be sure to follow now for lots of useful tips to save your expensive hardware unnecessary repairs in advance. Thanks for watching.